Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Studio, the place where learning English is easy, fun, and confidence boosting.
That's right. I'm Ethan,
And I'm Sarah.
and we are so happy to have you with us today. Sarah, I have a serious problem right now.
Oh no. What happened? Did you lose your wallet again?
Worse. Much worse.
Okay, now I'm scared. Tell me.
I'm extremely hungry.
That's not a problem. That's a reminder that you're human. What are you craving today?
A huge cheeseburger, crispy fries, and a giant cold soda.
Oh, wow. You just made everyone listening hungry too.
You're welcome, everyone.
Actually, this is perfect for today's lesson.
Let me guess.
Yes. Today, we're learning how to speak English at a restaurant.
Best English lesson ever.
But before we start, quick reminder, everyone. Subscribe to the English Studio like this episode if you enjoy learning real-life English, and share it with anyone who wants to speak English confidently.
And if you're listening while feeling hungry, welcome to the club.
All right, let's imagine something together. You are 23 years old, you live in New York City, and today you're going to a restaurant for the first time using only English.
You walk down a busy street, cars passing, people talking, your stomach growling, and suddenly you see a restaurant.
You take a deep breath, and you open the door.
You see a friendly worker at the door. This person is called the host or waiter. What is the first thing you say?
Hello. Just one simple word can start the whole conversation.
Now you need a seat, so you say, "A table for one, please. A table for two, please. A table for three, please."
The number just depends on how many people are with you.
The waiter smiles and says, "This way, please. Follow me, please."
You sit down. You look at the table. There is no food yet. So what do you need?
The menu.
You say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Simple, polite, perfect English.
Now you open the menu. You see 4 main parts: starters, main course, desserts, drinks.
Let's break them down really simply. Starters. Small food before the big meal. Soup, salad, bread.
I love tomato soup.
I love garlic bureau. Main course. This is the big meal. Burger, pizza, pasta, chicken, fish, rice.
This is the main food that makes you full. Dessert, sweet food at the end. Cake, ice cream, chocolate, fruit.
Chocolate cake should be free in every restaurant. Drinks. Water, soda, juice, tea, coffee.
The waiter walks to your table and asks, "Are you ready to order?"
If you're not ready, say, "Just a minute, please." If you are ready, say, "Yes, I am."
Polite ordering phrases. Now, this is very important. Instead of saying, "I want a burger," say, "I would like a burger, please." "I'll have a burger, please."
I'll have means I will have. It sounds very natural.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. Thank you. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Great choice. 1 tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the cheeseburger and fries, please.
Excellent choice. Our cheeseburger is very popular. Anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a cold soda, please.
Perfect. Let me repeat your order to make sure everything is correct. 1 tomato soup, 1 cheeseburger, 1 order of fries, and 1 cold soda.
Yes, that's right. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Your food will be ready soon. Please relax and enjoy your time. Now your food arrives at your table. The waiter smiles and says, "Enjoy your meal."
Thank you.
You take your first bite. The food is hot, fresh, and delicious. If the food is good, what you can say, "It's delicious." "Wow, this is really good." "Everything is great." "I love it." "This tastes amazing."
Wow, this is delicious. I really love this burger.
If you need something, don't be shy. You can politely say, "Excuse me, can I have more water, please? Can I get another napkin, please? Can I have some more fries, please?"
Excuse me, can I have more water, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away. You finished your main meal. You are very full, but your sweet tooth is still hungry.
I'm full, but I still want something sweet.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
You look at the dessert menu: chocolate cake, ice cream, apple pie, brownies. Ordering dessert. What you can say: "I would like the chocolate cake, please. I'll have the ice cream, please. Can I get the apple pie, please?"
I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Great choice. One chocolate cake coming right up. Now the meal is finished. You are happy, full, and satisfied. It's time to pay.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right away. Here's your bill.
Thank you very much.
Paying. Useful sentences for beginners. Do you take cards? Can I pay by card? Here you are. Thank you very much.
Do you take cards?
Yes, we do.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you so much. What you can say when leaving: "Thank you. The food was great. Everything was delicious. Goodbye. Have a nice day."
Thank you. The food was great.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day. Welcome.
Hello, a table for one, please.
This way, please. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Here is the menu. Please take your time.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like grilled chicken with rice, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here is your bill.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you and have a great day. Repeat after us, everyone. A table for two, please. Can I have the menu, please? I would like a burger, please. It's delicious. Can I have the bill, please?
Say them again slowly with us. A table for two, please. Can I have the menu, please? I would like a burger, please. It's delicious. Can I have the bill, please?
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
Making mistakes means you are learning.
Speak slowly. Be polite. Use please and thank you.
And remember, most people are kind and ready to help you.
You are not alone in this journey.
You are becoming better every single day.
That's all for today's episode of the English Studio.
If this lesson helped you, please subscribe, like, share with your learning friends.
And write in the comments, what's your favorite restaurant food?
Pizza? Pasta? Burgers? Fried chicken?
We read every single comment.
Until next time,
Keep learning. Keep smiling.
keep speaking English.